Welcome to Study Loop.
Okay, so here we will be discussing the factors. So there are two factors affect the spending variance per variable manufacturing overhead, right? So the first factor is price changes, right? So it is price changes of individual of individual price changes of individual inputs, right? Individual inputs. So what will be the individual inputs? So such as energy and indirect materials, right? So these are in inputs included in variable overhead relative 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 to budgeted prices, right? And the second one is, let's write it with another color. So the second is percentage change percentage change in the actual percentage change in the actual quantity used used it is used up, let's say, individual atoms, right? Individual atoms included in overhead variable overhead cost pool, right? And relative to the percentage relative to the percentage relative to the percentage uh, so it is relative to the percentage change, right? It is relative to the percentage change in that quantity, or in the quantity of the cost driver of the variable overhead cost pool, right? So these are the two factors which affects the spending variance per variable manufacturing overhead, right?